In this video, I'm going to show you how do you know if someone blocked you on Instagram. This works on Android as well as for iOS, and I'll show you exactly step by step how you can find out if someone blocked you on Instagram. So right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. So I'm on my Instagram right now, and from here I'm going to go to search bar and search for this profile, which is your favorite man. And if I go and search for this guy, you can see we have no results right here. Then that probably means you have been blocked. There is one exception and that's when the person actually deleted their account. So if that person deleted permanently, then that means you are not blocked, but the person just deleted. But you can verify or check that by simply signing into another account. So here I'm going to switch my profile and search for the same guy here, and you can see we have his profile right here, which is your favorite man again. So this is basically how you can verify if the person blocked you or not. So this is how you can know if someone blocked you on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.